Hello students. Let's read and write. Listen carefully and repeat. Read and write. Write the missing numbers. 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30. Write the numbers that comes after the given number. 23, 23, 24, 24, 27, 27, 28, 28, 25, 25, 26, 26, 22, 22, 23, 23, 29, 29, 30, 30. Write the numbers that comes before the given number. 23, 23, 24, 24, 29, 29, 30, 30, 27, 27, 28, 28, 25, 25, 26, 26, 24, 24, 25, 25. Write the numbers that comes in between the given numbers. 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28. Write greater than, less than, or equal to. 21, 21 is less than 28, 28. 29, 29 is greater than 19, 19. 24, 24 is less than 27, 27. 30, 30 is greater than 23, 23. 27, 27 is equal to 27, 27. 19, 19 is less than 29, 29. Happy learning!